The appeal Josh Duggar filed for a new trial in the child pornography case was denied. Josh Duggar was found guilty in December 2021 of receiving and possessing child pornography, and as a result, he was sentenced to prison in May 2022. Josh Duggar's court appeal, which sought a new trial following his 151-month child pornography conviction, has been dismissed. Duggar still has 9 years remaining on his prison term at FCI Seagoville, which is located close to Dallas, Texas. After being found guilty in December 2021 of receiving and possessing child pornography, Duggar was given a prison sentence in May 2022. The lower court's conviction of Duggar was maintained by the appellate court, which also issued a mandate that was communicated to it. After the mandate is issued, the Court of Appeals jurisdiction Court of Appeals decision over the case ends, and the district court gains jurisdiction to carry out the mandate. Follow the breaking news on Facebook's HT channel. Sign up now. Also read, Chicagoan woman, 104, passes away a few days after being the oldest skydiver. When was the appeal of the new trial filed? Justin Gelfand, Duggar's attorney, had submitted a motion to have the verdict overturned and a new trial set for October 2022. Duggar's appeal was based on his claim that, during a raid at his auto lot 1.5 years before his arrest, law enforcement officials had taken his phone as he was attempting to reach out to legal counsel. Removes his phone and places it against his ear. For Thito get in touch with his legal representative. Duggar's attorney Gelfand testified in court that federal officials forcefully pulled the phone out of his hand and prevented him from speaking with his legal representation. The judge then inquired as to why Duggar didn't use a different phone number to make the call. This lot was in the middle of nowhere, only reachable by a roadway that had no sidewalk. There was nowhere to escape to. He was not allowed to access the car that was searched when he arrived. In the office were the keys to the other cars in the parking lot. Without an escort, he wouldn't be permitted in, Duggar's attorney Gelfand clarified. But in the end, the appeal panel dismissed his claim because Duggar wasn't taken into custody by the federal officers in the course of the investigation. On the other hand, he concluded the interview on his own initiative, and left the dealership, hardly a choice that would be feasible for someone who was being held. As a result, we uphold the district court's decision, the court decided.